Welcome to ERNST, your #1 choice for total deburring solutions in sheet metal. ERNST is a mid-range family-owned machine tool manufacturer providing automatic grinding machines since 1960, located in southwestern Germany. In 1980, ERNST extended their product range to sheet metal and heavy plate deburring machines, resulting in over 500 installations until now. With the unique ERNST Deburring technology, you can process any material such as hot-rolled steel, cold-rolled steel, stainless steel, aluminum, brass. Material thicknesses in a range from 32 1/1000th up to 4-inch can be processed. ERNST technology also features deburring of material with coatings such as vinyl-coated, galvanized, aluminized, or painted parts, without damage to the surface. You may also process up and down form parts such as dimples and throughputs. Independent of your choice of contouring such as laser cutting, punching, nibbling, oxy-fuel or plasma cutting, you are deburring edges with a consistent result. All this, if you wish, integrated into one single ERNST machine. ERNST machines feature a wide variety of finishing processes: deslagging, deburring, graining, refining the grain finish, oxide removal, breaking or rounding the edges, washing, and drying. At the core of each ERNST machine is the genuine patented ERNST Deburring cylinder. This technology provides higher throughput, lower cost, better quality, and the ability to process all of your parts in one single machine, as the ERNST Deburring cylinder removes bigger burrs at higher feed rates using less abrasive and electrical energy, while removing insignificant amounts of material off the workpiece's surface. How is this possible? The soft backing of the deburring cylinder applies increased pressure on the edges regardless of their orientation, because the rubber foam expands where the abrasive is not supported adjacent to the edge. This causes the abrasive to mold around the edge. On the surface, the opposite effect takes place. The soft foam easily compresses, distributing the grinding pressure to a larger surface. This is combined with the oscillation of the deburring cylinder at high frequency, ensuring an extremely even wear of the abrasive. Other advantages you obtain from this principle are: you can process parts with real bad burrs. You can process parts with larger distortions. You can process coated materials. You can process parts featuring upforms. Only the ERNST Deburring technology features these benefits to such an extent. How do you benefit, especially if you deburr heavy plate after plasma or oxy-fuel cutting? Comparing the ERNST system to manual deburring, you achieve typical throughput time improvement rates of 30 to 1. An ERNST machine will typically run less than 3 hours per week for each 2 shifts of manual deburring. You will return all of your investment in less than 1 year if you currently have 2 employees deburring permanently. The unique design eliminates paper tears, reduces abrasive costs significantly, and runs at higher feed rates. Additionally, the oscillation ensures an even wear of the abrasive. ERNST machines have the highest rate of return on investment in the industry. Manual deburring is hard labor, often resulting in injuries to joints, eyes, and skin. So stop exposing your employees to the risk of injuries. Start producing consistent, high-quality parts while saving money with ease. The technology working so well in heavy applications translates into unsurpassed benefits for precision sheet metal operations. The mentioned features of the ERNST Deburring cylinder allow you to process laser cut parts with heavy burr, parts with distortions, coated parts, up and down form parts. Beyond the grinding cylinder, ERNST Deburring systems may be flexibly specified to any configuration, allowing all processes required in your industry. Surface graining, refinement of surface, polishing, removal of oxidation of thermal cutting, breaking, or even rounding the originally sharp edge. Washing and drying. Graining. Graining is a surface grinding process and requires an even and high grinding pressure over the entire surface. The most suitable working element for this process is a wide belt unit with a small diameter contact drum with a hard, inflexible rubber backing for an even surface finish. Graining should always be performed after deburring. ERNST finishing systems can achieve homogeneous, consistent, qualified surfaces such as a number 3 or number 4 stainless steel finish. The grain typically is refined by applying stainless steel or Scotch-Brite brushing after the graining process. Oxide removal. One disadvantage of laser cutting without nitrogen is the oxide layer on the edges. With ERNST Deburring technology, you can reliably remove these deposits up to 1/8 inch from each side. Even for parts thicker than 1/4 inch, paint adhesion is significantly improved. In addition, subsequent welding processes are enhanced, faster, and more consistent. Oxide removal is integrated into the brushing process and does not require an additional pass through the machine. Breaking, rounding of edges. Deburring by itself may not produce an edge radius as specified for certain requirements. Especially aerospace, food processing, medical equipment, and steel furniture applications require well-rounded edges. ERNST Deburring systems give you the choice of broken edges for most applications by reforging the deburred edge with steel brushes, or if so desired, of rounded edges beyond that. Rounded edges are produced with abrasive strip brush heads. Based on the configuration of the ERNST Deburring system, you may accomplish either or both of these processes in one single machine. Washing and drying unit. Machines working in wet mode, allowing you to process an unlimited variety of materials, are equipped with separate washing unit, cleaning parts from all debris, followed by a high-powered drying unit, assuring you of completely dry parts, top and bottom. All ERNST machines incorporate the following features. Easy operation. Abrasive can be changed in less than 3 minutes. Simple and quick workpiece thickness setting. Fixed table height, allowing the use of in and out feed conveyors. Automatic and semi-automatic cleaning cycles. Panel display of LED diagnostics for quick and easy troubleshooting. Safety features. Safety and limit switches in all key locations to avoid injuries as well as damage to the machine. In-feed safety flap, Motor overload protection. Machine configuration, eliminating the risk of part ejection. Regardless of whether you are currently deburring manually or by machine, regardless of whether you are in a heavy plate application or a precision sheet metal application, ERNST will return your investment faster, deliver more consistent results, improve your product quality, give you the capacity to process all your materials and parts in one machine, enhance the safety of your operation, increase your capacity, increase your throughput, reduce your lead time, reduce your consumable and operating costs. State-of-the-art deburring technology from ERNST, Europe's leading supplier.